Getting started with Libby. This is for Orland Park Public Library cardholders. If you have a library card to another library, see if your home library offers Libby. This service used to be called OverDrive, so if you used to have an account with OverDrive through the library, your username and password should still work with this service. First, go to the library website. Click on the green and white image that says eBooks and Audiobooks. If you scroll down a bit, in the middle of the page is Libby. It looks like a circle with a person reading a book. This will bring you to the Libby homepage. You can scroll down to see the new editions and most popular ebooks available right now. Click Sign In at the top right-hand corner. A new page will come up with a white and pale blue background. You will need the 14 digits on the back of your library card. If you are an Orland Park Public Library patron, your library card number starts with 21315. So I entered my library card number and clicked Sign In. You know your login was successful if the page you were on previously comes back up. You can see it says Big Library Read. Now to check out a book, I scroll down and click on Where the Crawdads Sing. You can see that I can borrow the book now or click Read a Sample. You can see the description, details, and reviews on the book below. I click Borrow and a screen pops up telling me how many days I can have this ebook before it self-returns. I click Borrow. Now I can read the book in my browser window or download the Libby app on my smartphone or Kindle. I click Read in Browser. The cover of the book comes up, and all I have to do to advance the page is click on the right side of the page. If I leave this page and log back in later, this book will return to the last page I had opened before I logged out or closed my browser window. A nice thing about Libby is that you never have to return your ebooks. They just return on their own. However, each ebook is here due to the library purchasing a license for it, so not all books will be available all the time. If I go back and click My Account, I can see my loans, my holds, my wish list, and more. Say I want a book that is not available. I search for it and I see that the library doesn't own it. All hope is not lost. I can recommend that the library purchase this ebook. The library will take a look, and if a few people recommend a certain book to be purchased, they will make sure that it's within the collection development policy to buy it. If it is, they will often buy it. If you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments below.